Mygovanen, welcome dwarves, elves, men, and hobbits of Middle-earth. First off, I want to say Merry Christmas. Today I have here a very special Tolkien book that I have been waiting to unbox for you all on this channel for Christmas. So without further ado, let's get into it. I bet you can already guess what it is. That's right. This is The Letters from Father Christmas by J.R.R. Tolkien. So let's get this stuff out of the way. There's always a mess after Christmas. So this is a collection of letters from J.R.R. Tolkien to his children as they were growing up. It was first published on September 2nd in 1976, 3 years after the death of Tolkien. There's his logo right there. Tells you a little bit about him. And this here tells you a little bit about the book. And here is what the inside looks like. So these are photocopies of the original letters by J.R.R. Tolkien. As you can see, it has the photocopy, and then on the left here it has it written out as well. This is the paperback edition. I bought it for around $13 on Amazon. If any of you would like to buy yourselves a copy, I will leave a link to Amazon in the description. You can also find this in a hardback form for a little more on Amazon as well. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe if you are not, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. I hope you all have a wonderful Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you, my friends, and I will see you in the next one.